Are you trying to decide if it's worth remodeling your kitchen before selling and getting your house on the market? You're not alone. In this video, we're going to dive deep into this question and explore other options and considerations you might not have thought of. Hi, I'm Bobby, and with over 30 years of experience in real estate renovations, remodels, and builds, I'm here to discuss this as well as some other options to consider before you make a decision. Whether you're looking to boost your home's value or simply want to make some informed choices, we've got you covered. So let's get started and find out if a kitchen remodel is the right move for you now. When considering a kitchen remodel, the first thing you need to know is the cost. On average, nationwide, a kitchen remodel can range from $20,000 to $50,000. However, these costs can vary significantly based on factors like size, materials, labor, and geographic location. For example, in San Francisco, you might expect to pay on the higher end or more due to higher labor costs and premium materials. In contrast, a similar project in Houston could be much more affordable. Meanwhile, in Chicago, you might find costs somewhere in between. And as we said, this is an average kitchen remodel. There are some that come in less and many that can be well north of $50,000 depending on size and finishings. Now, let's talk about return on investment. A well-executed kitchen remodel can add 60 to 80% of the project's costs back into your home's value. According to sources like Remodeling Magazine's Cost versus Value Report, this means that a $30,000 kitchen remodel could potentially increase your home's value by up to $24,000. Deciding to remodel your kitchen right before selling isn't the only option you might want to consider and the only time that you might want to think about your kitchen remodel. Here's a few other options to think about. If a full kitchen remodel feels overwhelming or beyond your budget, there are several effective alternatives to consider. DIY projects can be a cost-effective way to refresh your kitchen. Simple tasks like painting cabinets, installing new hardware, or updating lighting can make a significant impact without breaking the bank. However, it's important to note that DIY projects require a certain level of skill and time commitment. If you're not experienced, attempting these upgrades could end up costing you more in terms of both time and money and might not provide the return on investment that you were hoping for when it's time to sell. We seriously do not recommend this option if you've not done this type of project before, since it can be more costly to fix your mistakes rather than pay someone to do the work for you. I learned that lesson the hard way a long time ago when I tried this. Another great option is to focus on minor updates. Small changes such as replacing outdated faucets, adding a stylish backsplash, or even just decluttering and organizing your space can greatly enhance the look and feel of your kitchen. These minor updates are less invasive and stressful compared to a full remodel, but can still make your home more appealing to potential buyers. This is a great option if you have a house that is actually going on the market immediately or close to immediately. Now, here's a few pros and cons of not remodeling. Deciding not to remodel your kitchen before selling comes with its own set of pros and cons. On the plus side, you'll save money and avoid the stress and disruption that comes with a remodel. This can be particularly appealing if you're short on time or fun. Additionally, some buyers actually prefer to do their own renovations, allowing them to customize the space to their liking. However, there are some downsides to consider. An outdated kitchen can potentially lower your selling price significantly and make your home less attractive to some potential buyer. This could result in a longer time on market, which might be frustrating if you're eager to sell quickly. Ultimately, the decision not to remodel will depend on your specific circumstances, including your financial situation, timeline, and local real estate market. Personally, I feel if there are several other items in the house that might need to be upgraded or updated, then just doing a kitchen remodel will help, but will not have the impact it could have if other areas were also remodeled. And based on that, I might pass on doing the kitchen. If, however, the kitchen was the main issue or area that needed to be redone, I'd likely do it, as I believe that the ROI on the investment would be a lot higher than average and definitely lead to a faster sale. Timing is crucial when it comes to remodeling your kitchen. One strategy is to undertake the remodel well before you plan to sell your home. This way, you get to enjoy the benefit of a beautiful, updated kitchen while you're still living in the house. Imagine cooking in a modern, functional space and hosting friends and family in a stylish environment. By remodeling early, you give yourself time to address any unexpected issues that might arise during the renovation process without the pressure of an impending sale. Plus, when it does come time to sell, your home will already be in top condition, potentially leading to a higher selling price and quicker sale. This approach allows you to reap the rewards of both improved living conditions and increased home value. So, if you're not in a rush to sell, consider remodeling your kitchen sooner rather than later. It's an investment that can pay off immediately and in the long run. This is actually one of my favorite things to do. Get all the remodeling done a couple of years before selling so you capture the return on the investment, plus get to enjoy it as well. My favorite form, win-win. One of the best ways to save money on your kitchen remodel is by being your own general contractor. By taking on this role, you can save 20 to 30% of the project cost. You might think it requires a lot more time and effort, but in reality, it doesn't demand much more time than if you were to hire a general contractor. We specialize in helping homeowners like you become their own general contractors. We guide you through the process, help you make informed decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and manage your project efficiently. Many homeowners have successfully saved thousands of dollars and tens of thousands of dollars by following our advice and taking control of their renovations. If you're considering a remodel and want to maximize your savings, being your own general contractor is a fantastic option. And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. If you're still on the fence, remember that each situation is unique. Take into account your budget, timeline, and the current state of your kitchen. And if you decide to move forward with a remodel, consider taking control as your own general contractor to maximize savings and ensure everything meets your expectations. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips on home remodels, and check the description below for more information on how you can save money on your home projects. Thanks for watching and happy renovating.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.